Hi everyone, my name is Joe Abraham and welcome to my course, Extensions, Frameworks, and Integrations Used with Snort. I'm currently a cybersecurity consultant and a Pluralsight course author for both IT operations and security topics. Are you looking for ways to expand Snort's functionality and capabilities? Do you need to learn all about how to create, use, and optimize the tool? Well, in this course, I'm going to help. I'll walk you through the plugins, inspectors, and integrations that are popular with Snort to help you identify those capabilities. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how to expand Snort's capabilities, optimizing Snort's data and configurations, using and manipulating Snort preprocessors, using Snort plugins, and managing Snort rule sets. By the end of this course, you'll know all about how to expand Snort to fulfill your organization's needs. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with basic IT terminology and Linux, as well as have an understanding of Snort's usage and installation. From here, you should be comfortable diving further into Snort and its behavior, learning more about how to customize and use it through skill paths and courses at Pluralsight, such as network security monitoring with Snort. I hope that you'll join me on this journey to learn more about expanding Snort with the Extensions, Frameworks, and Integrations Used with Snort course here at Pluralsight.